car's running good. Just pulled up to this parking garage to take some pictures, and apparently there's water over there. I don't know. Threw the hood back on. Lighting seems pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. I don't know. I like that. Might make a new outro, but hey, we'll see what happens. Snapped a few photos, got a couple videos. Just enjoying the night with the car, and I figured I'd take you guys along with me. This shit is loud as hell. Anyway, let's get down there and see what happens, I guess. Here we go. I don't know if y'all can see me, but the block was hot down there. Helicopters and a car died. Mad unfortunate. I really don't want to test my luck and go back, but I'm gonna hit the highway back home. Maybe we'll find another couple more picture spots. I'm not really sure, but let's get on out of here. All right, well, getting out of here. Had to drive back through, past a couple cops. Luckily, back on the highway. This drone's like crazy. With the top up, it's a different story. I swear you can't really hear it. But yeah, pretty cool. Cool little thing. Did not clean the car at all. Just said, let's take it out. So it's had its intermittent things. It died twice, but it started right back up. Oil pressure's good. Oil temp's good. Don't have an AFR, but working, so hey, whatever. Everything looks to be fine to me. All right, we just parked her. Successful drive back. You know what? Let's pop the hood with my pliers. Give me a second. I'm not gonna lie, this sunny weather Sun out, top down. I'm gonna miss it for real. Back to the rain we go, yeah? All right, well, this comes back to R&D. Had to stop on the side of the road. As you can see, my exhaust is next to like the tee-off for my brakes. It's really hot right now, so when I went to step on the brakes, there was like nothing there. And also, I don't know what all this shit is. This looks new. It's probably like a type of coolant coming out of here. Yeah, it's just another thing to get fixed. Let it cool down for a little bit, and then I'll continue back on my journey home. But yeah, it's a little shitty. New finds on the project car. Hey, it is what it is. It's the point of testing things. This was definitely a good stress test. About an hour and a half on the road to and from. So about 3 hours on the road total. And this is the second time I'm doing it. Oh, look, it just popped off too. Oh, it's hot as too. Cool. Oh, just put that back there. Oh, good. Yeah, there's some things I gotta fix, but hey, it'll buff. Nothing crazy. The brakes need to be addressed first and foremost, but yep, now we just sit and wait. One empty garage with oil stains, zip ties, man, broken ass transmission. They're right there for real. All right, guys. Excuse the angle and maybe the terrible lighting. I'm on a work trip right now, but I'm editing this video for y'all. I just want to go over a few things so it's not a little weird. I took this video about almost a year ago at this point. We was down in California, was driving the car around, as you guys saw, whatever. But I kind of want to give you a little backstory. I stopped working on this car completely ever since I moved back up to Washington. Reason being is I wanted to get a new shell for the car, just so that I can transplant the entire drivetrain into a brand new shell, for lack of better terms. I'll put the shell up here. I just picked it up, but before that video goes out, I just kind of want to give you a sneak peek. If you made it this far in this video, if not, you'll just have to wait till the next one to see it. But just a little backstory on it. We're gonna do everything underneath is pretty much gonna be brand new with bushings, suspension stuff. We might even change out the coils, redoing the interior, so everything's getting paint matched to the original color on the inside. As for the outside, don't know what to do yet. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a long time in the making. Forgive me for my absence, but there was a right reason for it. A little more on the personal side, but besides the point. Right now, I'm just trying to get this out for you guys, just so you know, just so you see some progress on the channel still. I didn't forget about y'all. I have about 8 videos that I've been editing slowly but surely. Just haven't had time to finish them, so I'm finishing this one for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, I'll catch you on the next one when I show you the shell pretty much from top to bottom and start working on it and prepping the interior for paint. So with that, I'll see y'all in the next one.